All right, I haven't posted a video there for a few days. Been pretty active on the Blue Weather on Facebook. But what I want to look at today is first of all, is the precipitation that's possibly going to be coming through the next 2 to 3 weeks. And then after that, looking into what kind of temperatures we can be looking at for the next week or so. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Right here, the next system that should come in will be this Tuesday, March the 10th. Should be some rain coming up through the mid-Atlantic. Next system after that looks to move in maybe late Wednesday, early Thursday on March the 12th. Another rain system. That was the system that had previously slight chances on the models that it was going to be snow, but that's the way it goes with these models. They want to tease you. That's why I never share data like that out where it can be viewed and considered a forecast when it's just model data. I try to really explain that you can't trust those models that far out, especially the GSF as far as that goes. This next system it shows is next Sunday, March the 15th. So that weekend, late Saturday, early Sunday, showing another rain system coming in. The next system, rain again. This is for Wednesday, March the 18th, basically a week and a half from now. Another system coming up through the pipeline. This system here is for Friday, March the 20th. Almost 2 weeks out. Another rain system coming up through the pipeline. Getting close to spring, folks. This next system here is for 2 weekends from now on March the 22nd. Possible rain system coming up through the mid-Atlantic. Now, as far as rainfall totals for the next 7 days, this from the Weather Service, as you can see, the light green being less than 10th of an inch, the dark green there in Virginia, North Carolina, up to a half an inch. Then once you get over into the blues, it's anywhere from an inch to the purple 1.5 inches. That's kind of what we're looking at as far as precipitation goes between now and next weekend. Now, if you look at the actual data on the GSF model that will go out 15 days, anywhere that you at least see purple would be 2 inches of rain. Less on this model as you get towards the coast there, which would be anywhere from 1/2 to 1 3/4 inches of rain. But as you can tell, a lot heavier in Kentucky and Tennessee, which it actually has seemed like it's been like that for several months now. They've got the heaviest precipitation and flooding. Now let's get into the temperatures. Good bit of warm up for this Sunday. This is the highs for your Sunday. Widespread 50s and 60s. I figure everybody in this picture, other than real high terrain, will hit that 60-degree mark. Monday, more of the same. A lot of people hitting 60s, showing 70 in Charlottesville, so Virginia, North Carolina area, getting a lot warmer than that. For Tuesday, 50s and 60s, maybe near 70 in Virginia, North Carolina. Same thing for Wednesday. And same thing for Thursday, maybe slightly cooler up into the mountains of West Virginia. And where you see those blues is because of high elevation. It's shown up there next to Snowshoe. Only 47 degrees is the high that day, but that's to be expected when you're sitting at about 4,500 feet elevation. Then it looks to cool down towards the first part of the weekend. I don't know that it'll get in the 30s, but unless you're in the high terrain, but there will be several people seeing the 40s. Obviously, still showing the 50s for Virginia, North Carolina. And now the good news is, if you kind of look out, this was 13 to 15 days out, I believe. around March 21st, you can see how there's a ridge over the mid-Atlantic here. And what that means is probably the warmest, if that happens, probably the warmest there that we've seen so far for 2020. So it may sort of be the kickoff to spring. We'll just have to see. And, obviously you're still going to have some cold spells. Always do, especially around Easter and stuff like that. But maybe around March 21st or so, maybe we start seeing a little bit more the spring weather that we've been looking for. Guys, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it on Facebook or wherever your social media is that you use. Get the word out there. Appreciate your support, guys. Have a wonderful day.